Hey everyone, welcome back to Nor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 12. Touch is not responding properly. Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Removing the motherboard. Seems display connector is damaged in the motherboard. Now we are going to replace it. Destroying old one. Cleaning the display connectors. Now installing new connection point. Assembling the phone. And that's it. We've successfully resolved the iPhone 12 touch response problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.